Hello. You say hello. Look. See Waffle. You say hello. Waffle. You like them as your friend? Gusto no? Daijoubu yo. Daijoubu. Napaka-friendly talaga ni Waffle. Oo, gusto niya mag-play. Daijoubu. Ah. Waffle, daijoubu. Ay. Wala lang yung mga cats. Takot. Takot kay baby. No, daijoubu yo. We go here. Yan yung ano guys, sakura pag wala ng flowers. So many birds. Nature. And pusang gala. Yan yung mga pusa sa Japan guys. Kahit wala silang amo, super taba. Ay, ang kawaii. Kawaii. Okay na. So, yan yung sakura pag wala ng flowers. So, today, medyo malakas yung hangin. So, yan. And those two cute cats. And my naughty Waffle. Baby love, say hi baby love. No, it's a flower. It's a flower, baby. Thank you for watching. Baboon. So, thank you for watching, guys. Ohayo gozaimasu. May pahabol pa si Waffle. Take care. Arigatou.